In today's video, I'll outline the top 5 YouTube niches with the greatest pay that you may enter to start generating a ton of passive money. If you watch this video to the end, I'll show you a niche that is bringing in over $300,000 in passive income for one channel. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 high CPM niches, also known as cost per mile or cost per thousand, that you may enter for YouTube automation in 2022 and beyond. You'll want to stay to the end because I'm going to unveil a channel that generates over $300,000 a month, and you'll be able to identify the niche it belongs to and even duplicate it. Now, this station over here, AJ5, specializes in cryptocurrencies. Trading altcoins is now this channel's sub-niche. So, if you want to boost your results, you need sub-niche down. Even if Bitcoin is currently down, it is cynical, which has a direct correlation with the audience of these channels. This channel discusses numerous trading tactics and altcoin strategies. Now is a great time to start a channel in the crypto space because it is performing poorly, and you'll be in a position where not many people got into the niche because they're afraid of not doing well. This channel is well positioned for the next bull run because as Bitcoin rises, more people will be looking for ways to invest in crypto, which will boost this channel. Now, the CPM for this channel is currently between $15 and $17, although $15 is not the highest CPM in the financial industry based solely on my knowledge in the area. It will rise over time as more crypto advertisers enter this market. Additionally, $15 is not terrible when compared to the $3 to $5 per thousand views that vloggers like Logan Paul and Jake Paul earn from their videos. The anticipated CPM range for Social Blade, as you can see right here on the screen, is 25 cents to $4. As a result, it suggests they make roughly $1,000 per month here, but we know that's incorrect because we know they make $15 for every 1,000 views. We can reasonably estimate that they are making 4 times this amount, or close to $4,000 per month, which is a pretty respectable passive income. I mean, it would undoubtedly change your life if you make an extra $4,000 per month. It will help you pay additional bills, save money for retirement, and whatever else you need to do. It's also nice because you can make multiple channels in the same exact niche and profit from them all, with perhaps 3 or 4 of them earning $3,000 to $4,000 per month, because then that's a 6-figure income. So let's move on to the second niche. The name of this channel is BizMove. This is in the business advice sector, which is a fairly dull niche since it is quite boring. Not many individuals enter the sector. But since small company owners, particularly those who have physical and mortar enterprises and are attempting to learn on YouTube, are searching for this type of knowledge, these videos are receiving a lot of search volume. Things include effective people management techniques and how to handle challenging staff. Since I've studied books about employee management, people management, and other related topics, I am aware that there aren't many books on this subject. Therefore, educational YouTube videos are wonderful because many people search for information like the top 10 marketing methods on YouTube. These videos receive thousands of views, and the CPM in this market is probably $20 to $30 based on the advertisers and the demographics of the viewers, who are undoubtedly older and more affluent. Because of this, advertisers are willing to pay more to acquire leads that will allow them to display their ads in front of their audience. Since we know this channel is likely producing at least $20 CPM, and Social Blade claims they are now making roughly $1,100 per month at a $4 CPM, we may multiply this figure by 5. They're making between $6,000 and $7,000 a month, which is a tremendous source of income, especially for posting really simple PowerPoint videos where you can essentially hire a scriptwriter. open a script that you found online. If you modify it just a little, an editor will have no trouble putting the video together. Let's proceed to the third niche now. The Shopify dropshipping specialty with the least amount of competition is this one. This particular channel has been active for a while. I'm astonished that no one has made any serious attempts to mimic this channel. There are perhaps 2 or 3 channels in this market, so you might start investing right now. This market has one of the highest CPMs, which ranges from $6 to $80, because I actually searched this girl up. I now possess this knowledge. Sarah Finance is the name of her channel. You can see on her channel how much money she gets from her Shopify dropshipping videos and her YouTube channel. In one of the videos, it is stated how much money she makes, and you can then see that the CPM was $86, which is absolutely absurd but yet extremely plausible given the volume of individuals who advertise to this particular audience. Particularly in the Shopify industry, this kind of material includes course sellers, marketers, coaches, consultants, and course gurus. Although it states that this channel generates $332 per month at a $4 CPM, we are aware that the CPM is actually closer to $60. Let's simply say $40 as a starting point. They're making roughly 10 times as much, or $3,500 to $4,000 per month, from a channel with a reasonable size and a modest number of subscribers, not hundreds of thousands or even millions. The bottom line is that this is a fantastic passive income where you could certainly make numerous channels similar to this and earn a sizable revenue. Okay, the fourth specialty is the business basic one, which places this channel in the business finance niche. The CPM for this channel is currently between $40 and $50, which is extremely high, and they receive millions of views on a regular basis. For example, they most likely made roughly $50,000 from this video. In other words, Social Blade claims they make around $4,000 per month, but we know they actually make roughly 10 times that, or $40,000 to $50,000 per month, or $500,000 per year. That's a really big channel, but the last one I'll show you makes this one seem like a baby channel. So this channel makes around $4 million a year, or $375,000 every month, and I'll demonstrate it to you right now. The name of this channel is Brightside. This channel specializes in fascinating facts, super wide public audience, extremely viral. The CPMs on this channel might be about $5 to $7 due to the channel's large audience and lower CPM, but it has the potential for millions of views, such as the 90 million views here and the 56 million views here. If you head over to Social Blade, they're making about $219 each month. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming videos and I'll see you there.